In this video, we will learn interfaces in TypeScript. Before we begin, I want to say great thanks to those who watched my previous tutorials of this series. I hope you find these videos helpful. If you have any questions or just want to add something, please use the comment section below. Alright, without talking too much, let's jump into the screen and write some code. I have created an empty TypeScript file and I've named it Sentence Maker. Now the first thing I want to do is to create an interface called person and give it three properties. The first property is called name of type string and we will use it to store the person's name. The second property is called age, which is of type number, obviously because a person's age will be a number. And the third property is city, also of type string. Then I want to create a variable of type person and assign it with an object that contains arguments for each property of the interface. Let's call the person Jim. He is 15 years old and lives in Berlin. Now I want to create a function called SentenceMaker with a parameter of type person. I like this function to generate a sentence that says the following: Jim is 15 and he lives in Berlin. My function is going to return a string, so that's why I made the function of type string. Now, in order to return the formulated sentence, we can concatenate the following strings together. Alright, now I'll create a variable of type string and assign it to the value returned by the function SentenceMaker, and as an argument for the function, I will give personal data. At the end, let's print the results into the console so we can see the sentence when we run the code. Compile the TypeScript code and run the JavaScript. And here is our generated sentence. Alright, I hope this was helpful so far. If so, please like the video and make sure you subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.